Hi, Nick here with MedTech World. I've got Ben Rieck from Angio Consult. He sat beside me and he is going to tell you about his company.
Thank you for your invitation and thank you for the chance of the interview. My name is Ben Rieck. I'm CEO of Angio Consult, which is a consulting company for startup companies where we're helping with all the questions from patent to commerce, meaning majority of startup companies are our clients, where we're helping with the strategic advising, where to go, why to go, and how to go to an CE mark on FDA approval. And secondly, there are a lot of strategic advisors. What we do different is we also placing people of our group which have experience in the field on key positions in these startups, so quality management, clinical affairs, project managers, and even down to clinical support.
It's wonderful. And you're part of a large organization?
Yes, we're part of a company group, the Angio Group, where we have also Angio Pro, which is a European-wide sales organization, and we have Angio Invest, where we have an investment arm, more likely a family office instead of a strategic investor.
Great. And without breaking any NDAs, would you like to tell us about a little case study of a company that you've helped to advise?
Sure. In the past, we had a majority cardiovascular companies in the space. Our most recent larger exit was with Claret Medical, where we done the CE mark, prepared the CE mark, and had also down the road with the FDA. The company got acquired by Boston Scientific successfully, and that's also how we counted it. In the past 16 years since existing the company, we run 70 projects with roughly 20 exits.
Great. And I guess as part of your part of the assistance, do you help a company derive their valuations?
For sure, because we creating value through our people, which are in the company itself, and with a lot of more knowledge than the founders, helping to guide their ways to the point. Also, we're learning from each other, so very often we're running projects simultaneous. The market is very dynamic. Sometimes it's easier to get an FDA approval, sometimes it's a CE mark. And with this knowledge, also in running multiple projects in parallel, we share this knowledge with our partners.
Right. And these are ongoing relationships. I'm imagining you have a patent to exit. You're talking a period of years, a decade, more.
Yeah, they are all years, and sometimes it's the companies passing away in the process. Yeah, as I said, 70 projects, 20 got it to an exit. That's a very good level, I would say, but it's really rare to find in the industry. So the dynamic of the market is very often the driver here, but in a good case, something between 7 to 8 years, we're reaching to a point of an acquisition. Yeah.
Wonderful. Do you think you'll be starting any of those new relationships here, Ben?
Absolutely. Yeah? Absolutely. That's why we are here. We are part of that organization since a while. We've done a couple of road shows. Met a lot of new innovators, but also entrepreneurs, which have great ideas, and that's exactly where we come to the game. Yeah,
it's wonderful to have you here. Thank you for being there.
Thank you so much.
Great. Nicholas signing off from MedTech World.